Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am finally uploading again. Today we have two new aircraft to unbox. The Garuda Indonesia Boeing 737-800 in the Pokemon livery, or whatever that is. And then the Qantas Boeing 77-9, the Yam Dreaming livery. So, two special liveries for today, and let's get it on with. I'll start out with the Garuda. By the way, I've already had these aircraft unboxed because I needed to check their conditions. We have this card right here. This is to certify the release of this model was promoted by collectors. Scan QR code below for the details. So basically, if you have this, that means you officially own the airplane. Here's the card, and then another one to add on. Warning label. Let's unbox the model itself. And here is the model. Alright, so here is the model. Now it looks pretty damn nice. First off, cockpit windows and nose in very good shape. And then the registration MU, forgot the alphabet already after exams. There's the Indonesia flag and the Garuda logo, followed by Garuda Indonesia, and then there's some, I'm pretty sure, underwater Pokemon. All I know is that that's a fish, turtle, and a seahorse. Yeah. There's the Pokeball on the CFM 56 engines, emergency exits, some sort of stingray, butterfly, Pikachu with the Pokemon logo over there. There's the registration PK-GMU. And then there's the tail. And yeah, it's a pretty solid aircraft. Here's the nose view. It looks pretty nice. Yeah, pretty good model. NG did a fantastic job with this one. I have a 737 MAX 8 to compare it to. As you can see, they are quite similar. And yeah, this just looks like an upgraded version of this. So overall, pretty nice models. Let's move on to the next one. Next up is this Qantas 787-9 by Av400, meaning it has the magnetic landing gear. So as you see, I already have the gear down. I will also display it in the gear up position later on in the video. So here is the Boeing 787-9. Let's review. The nose looks pretty good. There's the registration on the nose gear, ND. We have the Qantas logo, the beautiful pattern. I still don't really know what this is. The dots and the red color. But yeah, looks pretty nice. Then we have the Spirit of Australia phrase that Qantas is associated with. There we have the VH-ZND and the Australian flag. I think they got the printing a bit off, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty hard to anyways, and it's pretty small detail. And then Badavinji, and then that word I don't know. Sorry, my camera cut off. I did not realize that I accidentally paused the recording. Anyways, yeah, this is a pretty nice mold. You got the engine right, the nose, just 99.9% of it right, because, well, you can't get everything 100% right. Anyways, I'm gonna compare this with the 787-10 of Singapore Airlines. And yeah, they look pretty good. Pretty similar. I'd say the nose of the Aviation 400 is slightly better though. But yeah, this just looks like a lengthened version of this plane. And let's display the Qantas 787-9 in the gear up position. Anyways, this is the plane in the gear up position. As you can see, pretty detailed. If only I can get my camera to focus. Strange. There we go. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a sore throat. Anyways, there you can see the nose gear. And then the main landing gear over there. And yeah, it's a pretty good model. Here it is upside down. And the magnetic gear can easily be removed with this stick that you just gotta poke right in there. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back to regular posting in a week.